Here I have HTC Desire 5030 and let me show you how to insert here Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing a power key just to switch off the device. Let's choose power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you have to find the slots to these cards. So the slot is located at the left edge of the device, right here. Let's open the protection by using your nail finger, and here you can insert two cards, the Nano SIM and micro SD. So let's start by inserting Nano SIM. Let's open and remove the tray for the Nano SIM card. This is the appropriate tray. Here you have to input the Nano SIM card. Here I have such a card. Let me input this card, as simple as that, and let's push this card in that position. So let me press it right here and let's press it to the end. Now let's insert the micro SD. This is the micro SD with the characteristic get right here, and let's insert this card into the last slot right here. Let's press it to the end. You should hear the characteristic click. And now let me switch on the device to check if both cards are working properly. So let's press power key, keep holding power button and wait until your phone will be turned on. Excellent, let's unlock the screen. If you have a pin to your SIM card, you have to input your pin, so let me just input my pin. And it means that my SIM card is working properly, the device is connected to one of the mobile network, and let me also check my SD card. So let's find and select settings, scroll down, and here you have to find and select the storage. The storage is located under phone tab. Let's tap storage. And as you can see, the device is reading our SD card. So everything went well, both cards are working properly. Now you can use both cards. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.